This video explains how to apply the mean function of the statistics module to a list object in the Python programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to create a list object, as you can see in the first line of code. So after running this line of code, a new list called myList is created. And we can print this list below the code box using the print function. And then you can see that our list contains 9 different numeric values. Now, if we want to apply the functions of the statistics module, we also need to import the module, as you can see in the second code box. And after running this line of code, we are able to use the functions of the statistics module, such as the mean function. And we can apply the mean function, as you can see in the next line of code. So in this line of code, I'm specifying that I want to use the statistics module and the mean function of this module. And then I'm applying this function to our list object, which is called myList. And then I'm also using the print function to print the output of the mean function below the code box. So then you can see that the mean of our list object is 4.8888. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.